Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the Blinks by Sarahj INSTALiner. It's a 2-in-1 eyelash glue and liner. Makes it super easy to apply lashes and precision with no mess. It's long lasting, a quick dry, and waterproof. So I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. The products are amazing, and also Blinks by Sarahj also sells lashes, and they're a great company, and you guys should go check them out because I love their lashes and they're super affordable. So yeah, so I'm going to be using this product. It's called INSTALiner by Blinks by Sarahj. Looks like this. So it's a liner and an eyelash adhesive. So you kill two birds with one stone. So it's great. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching.